Wellington is growing, and with it comes an exciting new addition. Elevate ED, a national leader in innovative education, has announced plans to open Wingrove Academy, a private school unlike any other in Palm Beach County. Slated to open in 2028, Wingrove Academy will rise on the K-Park site, just steps away from Wellington's highly anticipated mini downtown, being developed by Related Ross. This strategic location will place students at the very heart of a thriving, connected community.
Wingrove Academy will be more than just a school. It will be a hub for curiosity, creativity, and leadership. From rigorous academics and technology integration to arts, athletics, and global studies, our goal is to give students the tools they need to lead in tomorrow's world.
With small class sizes and individualized instruction, Wingrove Academy will offer a tailored learning experience designed to help every student thrive. The curriculum will emphasize hands-on projects, collaboration, and real-world problem solving, preparing graduates for both higher education and global impact. Located in one of Florida's fastest-growing and very desirable communities, Wingrove Academy will attract families seeking the very best in academics, innovation, and lifestyle. Its proximity to shops, dining, and cultural venues in Wellington's new downtown ensures a vibrant environment for both students and families. Connect with me today to discuss more details and the possibilities of living in Wellington.